Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video we are going to be showing off some more detailing products on my BMW. Alright everyone, so here are the products that we are going to be looking at today. It's some awesome products from a company called Hydro Slicks. Of course I'll have them linked down below. As many of you guys know, my BMW F10 is ceramic coated. Pretty soon my E46 will be too once it's painted, but I have some awesome products to apply on it. We have some ceramic shampoo. The car's already ceramic coated, so this is just kind of a booster. We have some ceramic shampoo. We have some leather cleaner. We have an actual ceramic coating if you want to apply it. We have some awesome tire shine, which you guys know I love this stuff. We also have some wax and grease remover, which we will not be using today because my car is already ceramic coated, but I do have a project that I need this for, so that'll be great. The other thing that we have is some awesome brake dust cleaner. If you guys do not use this stuff or anything like this that it reacts with the brake dust, you guys are washing your car wrong. This stuff is amazing. We also have a recharge, which basically recharges the ceramic coating on your car. My car needs this, so we definitely have to hit it with some ceramic shampoo and then hit it with the recharge to recharge the coating on it, because I ceramic coated the car in November, starting to lack a little, so this should help boost it up. All right, we're gonna walk around and rinse the whole car off, get any crap that's off. We're gonna get any last salt that's still stuck to the vehicle, because salt equals rust. All right, so the next important thing is soap, and we are going to use the ceramic aftercare. Like I said, my car is ceramic coated. We are putting it in a foam cannon the way you should. I will have this foam cannon link down below. It's awesome. I already filled it up with some water. Let's take the cap off. I have some residual soap left in there, but should be good. Dump some of this in. And that's all you need. You really don't need a lot, so let's shake it up and let's foam down the car. Now that we scrubbed the car, hit it with the foam cannon, we can now rinse off the car and get all the soap off it. One thing I forgot to do, stupid me, always wash your wheels first. All right, so one of the most important parts at the end of cleaning your car is protecting it, putting on either ceramic coating. In this case, I'm putting on a booster, or potentially waxing your car. But in this case, we're going to be using a ceramic booster, or it is a spray ceramic coating, so it will work if your car is not ceramic coated, but mine already is. So this is going to act as an awesome topper slash booster. So all we're going to do is we're going to unlock it and spray a fine mist on the paint. Then we're going to take our very soft microfiber towel and buff it, and then we're gonna flip it over to wipe off all the excess. Feels super nice. Oh my God, does that feel good? Way better compared to my already ceramic coated surface. Holy crap, super slick. All right, before we do the rest of the hood, 2 words of advice. Make sure whatever you're doing is very, very dry. Make sure there's no water. It does not end up well if you have a little bit of water left and it touches the microfiber towel and then you get it on the surface. It's not a good time. So make sure the panel that you're working on is completely dry. So let's do the rest of the hood. All right, and the hood is done. It looks fantastic. I actually noticed I have another rock chip right here, which is really annoying, but be prepared to really buff this hood or whatever surface you're working on very, very well. It needs it. And the ceramic coating laid down great. It feels fantastic. I bet it's super hydrophobic. All right, everyone, that is going to conclude today's video. If you guys are looking to buy HydroSlick's products, I will have a link down below. Pick up their starter kit that has everything you need to wash your car and use the coupon code EVAN to save. I will have it on the screen and link down below in my description. So far, the starter kit has had everything I need to get these fantastic results on my car. If you guys know, I'm always looking for better products. I'm always looking to up my detail game, and I'm looking for super easy to use products, and that is exactly what HydroSlick offers. So check them out in the link below and consider using my coupon code EVAN. Thank you guys so much. If you guys have not already checked out my ECS and Amazon affiliate link, I will also have that link down below, as it helps out the channel at no cost to you, and all of the proceeds go right back in the channel. So if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.